What if Earth had two suns? Imagine waking up one morning, opening your window and seeing not one, but two suns rising in the sky. At first, it might seem breathtaking. The sky would glow brighter than ever. Sunsets could become even more spectacular, and the world would look like something from a science fiction movie. But behind that beautiful view, a dangerous reality would begin. The first thing you would notice is the heat. Earth is perfectly positioned from our sun to support life. Even a small increase in the amount of energy reaching our planet could dramatically change our climate. If a second sun added significant extra heat, global temperatures would rise quickly. Ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica would begin melting much faster, causing sea levels to rise and threatening coastal cities around the world. Many regions that are comfortable today could become too hot for humans to live in. But heat isn't the only problem. Our weather depends on the balance between sunlight, oceans, and the atmosphere. Two suns would completely disrupt that balance. Some places could experience endless droughts, while others might face stronger storms, floods, and unpredictable weather unlike anything we've seen before. Now imagine looking at the sky at night. Would nights even exist? Depending on the position of the second sun, many places on Earth could remain bright for much longer. Darkness might become rare. Animals that hunt or sleep at night would lose their natural rhythm. Birds could migrate at the wrong time, insects might disappear, and entire ecosystems could collapse. Humans wouldn't escape these effects either. Our bodies follow a natural biological clock called the circadian rhythm, which depends on the cycle of daylight and darkness. Without normal nights, millions of people could struggle with sleep, stress, and long-term health problems. There's another challenge most people never think about: gravity. If the second sun were close enough, its enormous gravitational pull would constantly affect Earth's orbit. Our path around the stars could become unstable. Seasons might become longer or shorter, and over thousands or even millions of years, Earth could drift into a completely different orbit. In the worst-case scenario, our planet could become too hot like Venus, or too cold to support life. Could humanity survive? Possibly. People might build underground cities to escape the intense heat. Future technology could create giant cooling systems, stronger UV protection, and farms inside climate-controlled buildings. Life would continue, but it would look very different from the world we know today. Here's something even more fascinating. This isn't just science fiction. Astronomers have already discovered planets that orbit two stars. These are called circumbinary planets. One famous example is Kepler-16b, often nicknamed the real-life Tatooine because it has two suns, just like the planet in Star Wars. However, scientists are still trying to understand whether planets in these systems can support life. Some may be too hot, others too cold, and many experience complicated orbits that make stable climates difficult. So, could Earth ever have two suns? The answer is almost certainly no. Our solar system formed around a single star billions of years ago, and adding another sun today would completely destroy the delicate balance that makes life possible. Sometimes we don't realize how special our planet really is. One sun gives us just enough light, just enough warmth, and just the right conditions for oceans, forests, animals, and humans to exist. Maybe one sun isn't ordinary after all. Maybe it's exactly what makes Earth extraordinary. What impossible question should we explore next? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the question box for more fascinating questions every week. Please like and subscribe the channel.